Viewers, welcome back. We've had another young listener write in to ask a question. This time it's the young Eric Clapton from London in the United Kingdom. Dear Jesus, as your Luke Skywalker channel, hi, it's me, Eric Clapton from London in the United Kingdom. Hope the weather's nice. Please may I ask a question? How do I get a good tone on my Fender Stratocaster? Eric Clapton, thank you very much. I thought you would never ask. I'm waiting for Tommy Emmanuel to write in as well. Young Tommy. I'm one of his biggest fans. Anyway, the question is, how do we get a good tone on our Fender Stratocaster? Of course, viewers will be aware of the young listener, Eric. He's quite famous. Apparently, it's starting with the selector switch here. Viewers, welcome back and thanks very much for joining me. This is Jesus, my Fender Stratocaster. This is his pickup selector switch. By switching the switch, we change which pickups we're selecting. In the 5th position, the neck pickup. The 2nd position additionally turns on the middle pickup. Middle position, middle pickup alone. We've got these controls here. Volume has to go on 10. Select the switch in position 2. We're going to crank this tone control, which controls, just controls this one. We're going to crank that to the max, but we're going to wind this one back to 0. And there you have it. The Eric Clapton settings. There you have it. Goes without saying, ding the bell, tell your friends, click the link in the description.